Hi children, welcome to class 8 mathematics. This is yours Kona Kiran Reddy. Today in this class, let us do fourth problem in exercise 1.2. You see, find 10 rational numbers between negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So to find out 10 rational numbers between negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, first what we do is, we need to equalize the denominators. Be sure, we need to equalize the denominators. What are the denominators we have here? 5 and 2. First let us write the numbers. Solution. Given numbers. First let us write given numbers equal to, what are those? Negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now we need to equalize the denominators. For that what we need to do is, first observe the denominators 5 and 2. These are the denominators. We need to take the LCM of these 5 and 2. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? That is 10. So what we do is, negative 2 by 5, you write this one as negative 2 by 5 times 2 by 2. Why? Because so that we will get the denominator 5 into 2 will be equal to 10. This is the denominator. In the numerator you will get 2 times 2 is 4. So negative 4. So that is equal to negative 4 by 10. Now 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 times 5 by 5, let us write, so that the denominator will be equal to 10. So that will be equal to 1 into 5 is 5 divided by 2 into 5, that is 10. Now between negative 4 and 5, what are the numbers we have? Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 10 rational numbers. Let us check how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. So for that what we do is, let us multiply again negative 4 by 10 with 2 by 2. So that it becomes, this is equal to negative 8 by 20. And here also 5 by 10. Let us multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. So this will be equal to 10 by 20. Now observe the numerators negative 8 and 10. Negative 8 and 10. In between negative 8 and 10, what are the numbers we have? Negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers we have between negative 8 and 10. Now we need how many? 10 rational numbers. Here we have so many. But be sure, we need to write for all these numbers, we need to write by 20. So by 20 like this we need to write. Okay. Now we need how many? 10 rational numbers. You pick up any 10 out of these. So let me take, so I am taking starting from negative 6 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to this one I am writing. Okay. So we can write like this, negative 2 by 5 less than negative 6 by 20 less than negative 5 by 20 less than negative 4 by 20 less than negative 3 by 20 less than negative 2 by 20 less than negative 1 by 20 less than 0 by 20 less than 1 by 20 less than 2 by 20 less than 3 by 20, and this is less than 1 by 2. So like that we can write 10 rational numbers between negative 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Of course you need not to take these 10. You can take like these 10 also. Suppose for starting from here, you can take these numbers also. That's your wish. Out of these we have so many numbers here. Out of these you can pick up any 10. That's it. Understand? Let's go to the next problem, right? Exercise 1.2, fifth problem. Find 5 rational numbers between, first problem is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. To do these problems, what we need to do is, we need to equalize the denominators. Once again, I am repeating, we need to equalize the denominators. Suppose if I take the first problem, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 we have. The denominators are 3 and 5. So we need to equalize those two. For that what we do is, you take the LCM of 3 and 5. That is 15. So we need to get the denominator as 15 in both the cases. For both the numbers, we need to write the denominator as 15. Suppose if I take 2 by 3, so 2 by 3, multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So that this will be equal to 2 into 5 is 10, divided by 3 into 5 is 15. We got the denominator as 15. Now let us take the next number, that is 4 by 5, that is equal to 4 by 5 times multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So that it will be 4 into 3 is 12, 12 by 5 into 3 is 15. Now you observe the numerators 10 and 12. In between 10 and 12 we have only 11. That means we have only one number. We need to get how many? 5 rational numbers. So for that reason what we do is multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 or by 3, by 4. You can multiply with any number, no problem. So suppose if I do like 2 here and 2 here, 12 times 2 is, this is 24, 10 times 2 is 20. Between 20 and 24 we have only 3 numbers. Okay, so for that reason let us don't multiply with the 2. Okay, multiply with the 3. So 3 by 3 here, and here also 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 means 10 times 3 is 30 and 15 times 3 is 45. Here in the second number 12 into 3, that is 36, by 15 into 3, 45. You observe the numerators here 30 and 36. Between 30 and 36 we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 5 numbers. Right, okay. So we can write like this. 2 by 3 here we have, 4 by 5 here we have. Between, that means 2 by 3 means 30 by 45. So next is 31 by 45. Next 32 by 45. Next 33 by 45. Next 34 by 45. Next 35 by 45. These are the numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Put less than symbol in each case like this. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Now let us go to the second one. Second problem. Negative 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. In this case, what we need to do is first equalize the denominators. Here the denominators are 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So we need to get 6 as the denominator in both the cases for both the numbers. So first let us take, what is that? Negative 3 by 2. So negative 3 by 2 equal to negative 3 by 2 into, to get 6 as the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. This is equal to negative 3 into 3 means negative 9, divided by 2 into 3 is 6. Now for 5 by 3, this is equal to 5 by 3 times, let us take 2 by 2. So that the denominator will be 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. So 5 into 2 is 10, divided by 3 into 2 is 6. You observe the numerators, that is negative 9 and 10. Between negative 9 and 10 we have so many numbers, right? Negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, like that up to 9. So we have so many numbers, we need just 5. Okay, we can write any 5. So here what I am writing is negative 3 by 2 here and 5 by 3 here. In between these two we need to write 6 rational numbers. So negative 3 by 2 means that is negative 9 by 6, right? 5 by 3 means 10 by 6. Between these two we have so many numbers. I am taking like 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. So just put less than, right, like this. That's it. These are the rational numbers between negative 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So we have 5 rational numbers. Of course we have so many rational numbers. Just I picked up only 5. Okay, right. Let us go to the third one. Third problem, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now 1 by 4 equal to, and here 1 by 2 equal to, if you multiply 1 by 2 with 2, that means numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 4. You observe here the denominators got equal. But you see in between 1 and 2, that means numerators 1 and 2, so there is no number, right? That is why multiply again, suppose 1 by 4 times You can multiply with 2, you can multiply 3, you can multiply 4, you can multiply with 5. That's your wish. Let me multiply with 6. So 6 by 6 here. Here also 6 by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So that is 6 by 24. This is equal to 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 4 times 6 is 24. Between the numerator 6 and 12 you observe, between these two numbers 6 and 12, what are the numbers we have? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So exactly 5 numbers are there. So we can write like this. 1 by 4 here, that is equal to 6 by 24, be sure. And 1 by 2 here, that is equal to 12 by 24, you see here. Between 6 and 12, we have what are the numbers? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write by 24 in each case. By 24, by 24 like this. Now put less than symbol. So these are the 5 numbers, 5 rational numbers between the given numbers 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, right. Now if you multiply, suppose here in this step, suppose 1 by 4 here we have and 2 by 4 here we have. If you multiply with 7, so 7 by 7 here and 7 by 7 here. 1 times 7 is 7 by 4 times 7 is 28. So this is 2 times 7 is 14 divided by 4 times 7 is 28. So 7 and 14, between 7 and 14, how many numbers we have? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 6 numbers. Out of those 6, you can pick up any 5. That's your wish. So we can do like this also. Multiply with 7 by 7 or 8 by 8 or 9 by 9. That's your wish. As the number is increased, you will get so many numbers between these two given numbers. Understand? Let us move on to the next problem. So next problem is, you see, is 6th problem. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers means the numbers which can be written P by Q form. We know that all the integers and all the whole numbers and all the natural numbers, all those are rational numbers. Now if we take any 5 integers which are greater than -2, those will be rational numbers. You take any 5 whole numbers which are greater than -2, those are rational numbers. So let me take like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers, right? Whole numbers means those are rational numbers also. Okay, all these are greater than -2. So we can write this as the answer. That's it. So you can take whole numbers or any integers or any natural numbers which are greater than -2. Those are rational numbers. But you need 5. So you take 5 numbers out of those. That's it. Now let us go to the next problem, that is find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. To do this problem, what we need to do is we need to equalize the denominators. So what are the numbers we have? 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So here the denominators are 5 and 4. First we need to equalize the denominators. So what is the LCM of 5 and 4? That is 20. First step is we need to convert the denominator as 20. So for that what we do is, we see here 3 by 5 times multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So that it will become 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 5 times 4 is 20. Now multiply this 3 by 4 with 5. So 5 by 5, which is equal to 3 times 5 is 15 and divided by 4 times 5 is 20. Now you observe the numerators 12 and 15. Between 12 and 15, how many we have? 13, 14. We have only 2 numbers. So increase the denominator. That means multiply. Suppose let me multiply with 5. 5 by 5 here. Here also 5 by 5. So this will be equal to 12 times 5 is 60 divided by 20 times 5 is 100. This is equal to 15 times 5 is 75 divided by 20 times 5 is 100. Now you observe the numerators 60 and 75. Between 60 and 75 we have 61, 62, 63, 64, like that up to 75 we have so many numbers. Out of those numbers you take any 10. That's it. So here let me write 60 by 100. This is actually 3 by 5. Now here 75 by 100. This is actually 3 by 4. Between these two, between 60 and 75, you write any 10 numbers. Suppose let me take 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So how many numbers we have? 10 numbers. So by 100. In each case, write by 100. So like this. So all these numbers from 61 by 100 to 70 by 100, all these numbers are between 60 by 100 and 75 by 100. So those will be between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So put less than symbols like this. In this way, we can find out any number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay. Hope you understand, children. With this, exercise 1.2 is finished. Okay, if you like my explanation, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the link of the channel to your friends also, so that they can also make use of this channel. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Yours, Kona Kiran Reddy.